So what is a normal cell structure? You know, it is surrounded by a plasma membrane, and you have nucleus which contains your DNAs, and DNA contains the information that is required for functioning of your cell. Then you have mitochondria, you have Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then you have your cytoskeleton, which provides integrity to your cell. So in this class, we are going to study about the cellular functions in a step-by-step manner. So what all things we are going to cover here? The cellular functions, first of all, you have a outer cell layer, that is your plasma membrane. This is like your skin of your body. So this is the outermost coating of your cell. So what is the function of plasma membrane? The broad function of plasma membrane is, first of all, protection, just like your skin protects you, and nutrient acquisition. So your cell is a unit, you have a plasma membrane around that. So plasma membrane will protect this cell, as well as it will acquire nutrients from the outside for the survival of that particular cell. Then the second thing we are going to study in this class is your cytoskeleton. So you have a cytoskeleton, just like you have skeleton for your own body, which gives integrity to your body, which holds your body together. The same way, your cell also has a cytoskeleton, which will hold the cell together, and one cell will interact with another cell through cell-to-cell interactions. That also we are going to study in this class. Then whatever you want to synthesize in your cell, you should have a machinery for that. So that is called as biosynthetic machinery. And who is going to act for that? You have endoplasmic reticulum and you have Golgi apparatus. Then if you have a factory, you have some biosynthetic action going on, you are making some products in the factory, then obviously you are going to have some byproducts and some waste. Your cell should be efficient enough to dispose of that waste. So for the waste disposable action, you have lysosomes and your peroxisomes, which have the action of waste disposal. Along with this, you have some metabolism going on in your body, and everything comes at a cellular level. So for the cellular metabolism, you have mitochondria. So we are going to study about cellular metabolism and mitochondrial function also. Then how you are going to get the signal that this is the product you are going to make. So that signal is called as cell signaling, and a signal will come, it will come and tell your cell to make this particular product. So this is going to act on particular organs, like it is going, this signal is going to the thyroid gland and tell the thyroid gland and the cells of the thyroid gland to make thyroid hormone. Same way in other organs, it will ask the cell to make that particular hormone. So there is a pathway of cell signaling and there is a pathway for cell activation. So after the cell activation, you have signal transduction pathways. And all the signals, that means all the activation signals, now your cell has to wake up from the sleep and act. All these signals will be taken to your nucleus, to the level of your DNA. Now your DNA is going to act and make mRNAs and proteins. Along with this, you have growth receptors and growth factors, which are again on the surface of your cell membranes. And these receptors, they are going to get the signals from outside and they are going to further give the signals to their nucleus. Then the next thing that we are going to study is, you have a cell. So obviously your cell is not floating around in your body. Your cell is embedded in a gel-like meshwork in your body. So that gel-like meshwork that you have around a cell is called as extracellular matrix. Your cell interacts with that also. So your cell is not a single unit. It is a multi-unit and intercommunicating network of cells. So your cell is going to interact with the extracellular matrix. That also we are going to study how it is going to interact. And the last thing that we are going to study in this class is the most important thing, the maintaining of your cell populations. So if some injury happens and your cell dies, then who is going to maintain the cell population, who is going to proliferate? So that thing is also important for your homeostasis.